Welcome to this video where we are going to show you how to make your Pinterest account public. So first thing to do is to open Pinterest. Now that you're here on the home screen, you gotta click on the bottom right corner on your profile. Now that you're on your profile, you gotta click on the bold looking button on the top right corner. That's settings. Click on it. Now that you are in the settings menu, you gotta click where it says profile visibility. And here you can see there are two toggle buttons. One is called private profile and the other one is called search privacy. You gotta make sure both of these buttons are turned off, because turning them on means that your profile will only be visible for certain people you allow to watch your profile, your pins, your boards, or whatever you post, and also means your profile will be hidden to search engines like Google, Bing, Yahoo, or any other search engine there is. So turn them off if you want your account to be visible, to be found, and to be public. That's how you can make your Pinterest account public. If you like this video, please consider giving us a like and subscribing to our channel.